In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ebook to your Squarespace online store. If you're ready to expand your offerings and sell digital products, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, head on over to the Products and Services section. This is the gateway to managing everything you'll be selling on your store. And today, we're focusing on adding an ebook. Next, on this page, you're going to click on Create and then select Download as the type of product you want. This ensures that your ebook will be recognized as a digital download, making it easy for your customers to purchase and download with ease. Now it's time to get creative, but also be informative. Enter the title of your ebook. Make sure it's compelling and neatly encapsulates what your book is about. Following that, you'll need to add a detailed description. This is your opportunity to really sell your book. Paint a picture with words, inform your potential customers about the content, and tell them why this book is a must-read. The description can often be what seals the deal, so take your time to craft it well. Once your description is added, you'll need to upload your digital file. Typically, a PDF or EPUB is recommended, as these formats are easily accessible and can provide a great reading experience for your customers. Alongside your ebook file, you should also upload a cover image. This visual addition will serve as a digital storefront for your book's sales page. Make it eye-catching and relevant to your ebook's content because it's likely to be one of the first things your potential buyers will see. Having a great cover is critical, but so is setting the right price. Decide on a price for your ebook and input it in the designated field. If you have a special launch price or want to encourage purchases through a discount, you have the option to enter a sale price as well. This could be a great strategy to boost early sales or provide limited time offers. Next, you'll want to ensure your ebook is easy to find and appropriately classified. Organize the product by adding it to a relevant category. Use tags effectively to make sure your ebook is easily searchable within your store. Tags can encompass themes, topics, or related subjects in your ebook, enhancing its visibility. Finally, don't forget to hit Save. This crucial step ensures all your hard work is captured and your ebook is officially added to your store. Make sure everything looks just right on the preview by double-checking for accuracy and completeness. And there you have it. With these steps, your ebook is now available for the world to discover and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.